Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Automation Hub Sathak, and in today's video we'll learn about how do we determine the tooltip value of a particular web element using Selenium. It's a very simple topic, generally never asked in the interview, but maybe in a certain requirement document if there will be new web elements used, like there will be new button introduced or any kind of a link introduced and they want to verify the tooltip, that what it exactly reflects. You can use this particular technique to determine what exactly it is. So first let us understand what exactly is a tooltip. So we'll just go to our regular website rediff.com, and let's say for example I have sign in link and there are a lot of links, there is an image. So I'll just hover my mouse over sign in link. You will see just to the southeast you will see already a user question mark sign in a square button. This is nothing but a tooltip and it will immediately disappear once the mouse hovering is over. So this is the tooltip of that particular web element, which is a sign in link web element, which is a link known as sign in. So this is the tooltip of that particular web element. Now the question arises, does each and every web element have a tooltip? No. So let me go inside this. So if I hover my mouse over here, I have just kept my mouse over the text box. It's not there. I'll keep hover my mouse over sign in. This button has SIGN space IN tooltip, which is just reflecting down there. Now let me come to this Rediff mail logo. Does it have? No. So how do we determine which particular excuse me, which particular web element has a tooltip? Well, we know that this particular button has a tooltip. So we'll right click, inspect this, and you will see there is a title attribute present in this particular web element, which has the same text as when we hover the mouse over it, right? So whenever a web element has this attribute title, that particular web element will have a tooltip. So let's go back to the previous page. So the sign in link, I'll right click, inspect. We have a title, already user sign in, right? So if I have mouse over, see already user question mark sign in, you can see exactly it's the same thing. Now let's hover mouse over a create account, create Rediff mail account. So I'll inspect it. See, we have a title attribute. And now rediff.com, this logo image, inspect. There is no title attribute. It is just it has a class, that's it, but it does not have a title attribute. So this particular logo, this particular web element, which is a logo, it does not have a tooltip. So each and every web element which has a title attribute attached to it has a tooltip. So let's go and automate this. So tooltip, I make a class. I'll quickly write the code. Public static WebDriver. We'll just invoke the binary WebDriver manager.chromedriver.setup. Driver equals to new Chrome driver. Driver.manage .window .maximize driver.get rediff.com. As simple as that. Now we have arrived at this page. So now what I'm going to do is, let me inspect this particular sign in link web element. So it has a class SIGNIN, so I'm just going to write web element SIGNIN link equal to driver dot find element by dot class name, and I'll mention SIGNIN, and that's it. Okay, I'll import this web element interface. Now I need to determine this attribute title. So I'll use this SIGNIN link dot get attribute. I have to get that particular attribute. What is the name of that attribute? Title. If you mouse over on get attribute, you will see that it returns a string. So I'll store this in a string, let's say tooltip value. As simple as that. Now I just need to print what is the value of the tooltip. So the value of the tooltip is tooltip value. Simple. I'll execute this code. It should come in the output console. I'm not concerned about the Chrome driver. I just want to see the output of this particular output of this particular code in the output console. That will be the tooltip value of the link sign in. Code is still running. It is taking some time. Okay, so this is what was expected and recorded. So this is a very simple concept. You can do one thing using the tag name. You can find out all the web elements which has the tooltip value. So you can use your logic and use a for loop to determine how which all web elements have the attribute title, and you can print them in this output console. This is a small exercise which you can do. So in that case, you will get which element, what is the name of that web element, and what is the corresponding name of the tooltip. You can do that as an exercise. I'm not going to do it, but you can practice that. I hope you like this small session, and thank you so much for supporting so far. Please continue to do so. Sarthak here, signing off.